Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and turning off the thermostat. Do it now to avoid shock. Once done, open the access panel and find the UV lamp housing near the evaporator coil. This placement targets microbial growth. Make sure you have the exact lamp length and connector type. Mismatches cause failures. You should wear gloves and eye protection because UV lamps are fragile and some contain mercury. Confirm power is off with a multimeter before touching any wiring or the lamp itself. You gently unclip or unscrew the lamp while supporting it. Fragile glass breaks easily. Once free, disconnect the lamp from the connector and handle only by the ceramic ends. Oils from skin shorten lamp life. Now insert the new lamp of the exact length and wattage, seating it fully in holders and reconnecting the plug. If the UV uses an external ballast, make sure wiring matches terminal markings. If it has an integrated electronic driver, simply plug it back in. Tighten retainers, do not over-tighten. You close the access panel, restore power at the breaker, and switch the thermostat on, then observe the lamp. Make sure it runs steadily. A faint glow or flicker can still clean, but buzzing, no light, or a warm fixture indicates an electrical issue. Once verified, set any timers or occupancy sensors so the lamp runs as intended. Dispose of the old lamp as a mercury-containing bulb per local rules. If the lamp won't light, check the breaker, connector seating, and ballast. Replace the ballast or lamp if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.